today's video, I'll be showing an update on the construction happening on Lagos Badagry Expressway, particularly at the Iyana-Iba axis. If you recall, some few months back, I showed the progress of construction of the Iyana-Iba flyover, Iyana-Iba Interchange, and as well as the lasu-Iba road that links the Lagos Badagry Expressway. For those who would like to watch the video, you can click on the link above to watch the full video. Here is a short clip of the interchange as at then. This is how the Iyana-Iba Interchange looks like presently. Today's video is an update on the ongoing construction, where I'll be showing the progress of construction works, most especially on the Iyana-Iba Interchange access road and bridge, which will be used as an alternative road to connect the Lagos Badagry Expressway and the lasu-Iba road. Also, I will be showing the construction updates of the 280-bed Ojo General Hospital, also in the same location. For those who might not know, the Iyana-Iba Interchange access road will be toll, as toll booths are already being constructed along the road, similarly to what we have at the Alakita Interchange access road to link Festac town. From the video, we can see the progress of construction work on the interchange compared to the last time I was here, as the road construction is taking shape. The Iyana-Iba Interchange bridge is located around Pako bus stop in Iyana-Iba. The interchange will serve as a bypass that allows vehicles on the toll lane Lagos and Badagry bound to connect in and out of the lasu-Iba road using the interchange loop, as this will help decongest the volume of traffic at the Iyana-Iba bus stop. For those who might not be aware, the Lagos Badagry Expressway will have a toll section while the service lane will not be toll. From this video, you might have noticed ongoing construction of some buildings around the interchange. Those buildings are meant for the 280-bed Ojo General Hospital, which is slated to be delivered next year. The secondary health facility will help improve access to quality and efficient healthcare services in Ojo local government and neighboring communities. The General Hospital, when completed, will provide healthcare services to over 2 million citizens within the vicinity, which is in line with the Lagos State's efforts to achieve universal health coverage. The General Hospital will also help reduce the burden on the Ojo General Hospital in Igando. The ongoing construction of connecting roads within this axis will also make accessing the General Hospital easier when completed.